Hello, I'm Higham and I'm a behavioural futurist. I work with a range of brands from Amazon to the BBC, HSBC to British Telecom, helping them better understand what their customers' future needs, future demands, future expectations and behaviours are likely to be, how to anticipate and appeal to tomorrow's consumer. I'm going to be speaking at the Unlocking Potential Future Focus event, The Consumer Revolution, on the 23rd of May. I'm going to be talking about how looking at understanding, picking up on those consumer changes is a great way to unlock opportunities and growth potential. I'll be showing you what some of those new needs, new demands, new expectations are likely to be, whether that's consumers who are wanting to take greater control of their lives, control of their finances, of their health, of their education, of their careers. But also looking at how consumers are easing back a little bit and trying to find ways to escape the everyday, find ways to switch off from the always-on digital world. I'll also be looking at the importance of shared values and community as an anchor to all of this. All of this and more on the 23rd of May at the Consumer Revolution event. I hope you can come join me then.